Apple rarely waits until the last minute to drop a big phone, but this year, the iPhone 16 Pro Max's late release is paying off in a big way. With its longer battery life, stunning 6.9-inch display, and incredible camera performance, it's no surprise that it's leading the race for the best smartphone of the year, beating out rivals like the Pixel 9 Pro XL, OnePlus 12, and even Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra. But the battle is far from over. With Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra on the horizon, there's pressure like never before. Samsung needs to deliver something truly game-changing to dethrone Apple's latest flagship. So, what can we expect from the S25 Ultra, and will it have what it takes to beat the iPhone 16 Pro Max? Samsung vs. Apple, the ultimate showdown. Presenter on camera. Rumors suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will match Apple's 6.9-inch display, but the real competition comes down to brightness. Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max already delivers a peak brightness of 1553 nits, making it shine even in direct sunlight. Samsung has to step up with something even brighter, especially considering the Pixel 9 Pro XL boasts a whopping 2469 nits in brightness. And then there's the processor battle. Early leaks point to the Galaxy S25 Ultra running the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, which could bring even better power efficiency and performance. But will it beat Apple's A18 chip in single-core performance? Right now, Apple's still leading the pack, but the S25 Ultra could be a game-changer. Samsung fans were disappointed last year when the S24 Ultra ditched the 10x optical zoom for a 5x, but there's hope on the horizon. The S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a telephoto camera with variable zoom, offering smoother transitions between 4-5x and 6-7x zoom ranges, which could be a game-changer for videographers and photographers alike. Speaking of video, Apple stunned everyone with 4K at 120 FPS on the iPhone 16 Pro Max, but Samsung could leap ahead by using AI to deliver an incredible 4K at 240 FPS, using generative AI to enhance footage, creating ultra-smooth slow-motion effects. Samsung's not stopping at just video and camera tech. The Galaxy S25 Ultra could also match Apple's audio mix feature, allowing users to control background noise with studio-quality microphones. But Samsung could go further by supporting external mics, making it perfect for content creators. And let's not forget Samsung DeX, the feature that turns your phone into a desktop PC. The S25 Ultra could improve this even further by integrating new S Pen gestures, turning your stylus into a mouse for a more seamless experience. While Samsung continues to innovate in performance and productivity, there's one area that might disappoint some fans: the design. The S25 Ultra looks set to follow in the footsteps of its smaller siblings with a more rounded design, moving away from the sharp-edged, boxy look of its predecessors. Some might say it's inspired by the iPhone's design. But despite this design shift, there's no doubt that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be one of the most anticipated phones of 2025. Samsung's reputation for delivering cutting-edge tech is still unmatched, and millions of fans worldwide are eagerly waiting to see what it brings to the table. So what do you think? Will the Galaxy S25 Ultra have what it takes to steal the crown from Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for all the latest updates on the smartphone wars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.